Every journey begins with a vision.
Deep within the earth, the extraction of essential minerals begins. From these raw materials, we forge the future.
Raw materials for the Orange Edition are loaded, ready for the next stage of production.
From these raw elements, the future is forged. The convoy ensures delivery to the main production line. This is how modern technology is made. Meticulously sourced, the raw materials enter the automated environment. The journey of the Orange Edition starts with the sorting of these vital elements.
From these quartz-rich stones, the purest silicon is extracted, beginning the life cycle of the iPad. The smelting process purifies the metals, forging the signature orange aluminum that defines the device. The molten orange alloy is poured at extreme temperatures, the first step in creating the specialized enclosure. Precision CNC machines carve aerospace-grade aluminum, beginning the transformation into the new iPad Pro. Machining the aerospace-grade aluminum is the first major milestone in creating the new Orange Edition iPad Pro. Precision robotics ensure every curve is polished to a mirror finish, a testament to the TechForge standard.
Precision lasers scan the structural integrity of the frame before the final assembly.
Precision engineering at the molecular level, monitored by the most advanced tools available.
The neural engine is precisely positioned, marking a significant leap in mobile processing.
This is the heart of the machine, where raw materials become the future of technology.
A major milestone in the creation process, the neural network of the device is carefully integrated by our robotic assistants. The logic board assembly is complete, now integrating seamlessly with the device enclosure. The logic board is the brain of the new Orange Edition iPad Pro. The thermal layer is applied with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring optimal performance under any condition. The internal assembly is a dance of precision, ensuring every component of the TechForge Orange Edition is perfectly placed.
Only when the signature orange casing passes the final camera inspection can it move to the next stage. Edges sealed under pressure.
The culmination of the process, high-pressure air drying followed by the precise robotic final polish, ensuring the signature TechForge glossy finish.
Precision robotics complete the rigorous finishing process.
The stress simulation confirms the structural integrity of the chassis, maintaining the Orange Edition's flawless design. The packaging sequence begins for the Orange Edition, ensuring every device is secured in its premium casing.
The final stage of assembly ensures every Orange Edition is securely packaged.
Here, the automated system applies the shipping manifest, preparing the iPad for transit.
The Orange Edition is now ready for global distribution from the main TechForge hub.
The automated systems ensure every Orange Edition is securely packed. Once complete, the pallets are immediately moved for shipping.
The new Orange Edition, moving from the heart of the factory to the world. Here we see the stunning Orange Edition, securely transported through the facility. The cargo is now secured, ready for its journey.
The next generation of the iPad Pro Orange Edition is now leaving the facility, secured for transit.
The shipment is secure. The global rollout of the Orange Edition can now begin. The first wave of the new Orange Edition is officially underway. This is how modern technology is made.